I'm Nam Tran. I am the chef over here at Mula's. Today what I'm going to do is actually make a chimichurri for the ribeye that we're going to grill up that you'll be able to do at home. I'm cutting up this sweet pepper for the chimichurri and just de-seeding it. This will be a great presentation. Give it a pop of color. So we're going to combine the chimichurri ingredients, and we have curly parsley here. So we're going to make an Argentinian chimichurri. All these ingredients are found in the local supermarket, very readily available. Fresh garlic. I prefer coarsely chopped. It just brings a freshness. This is an Argentinian sauce that is normally used in Argentina. Creates a lighter fare rather than having a glaze on a steak or a demi-glaze, which I feel is a little weighted, a little heavy. I prefer something light and refreshing. And just salt, pepper, a little bit of red pepper flake, olive oil, a little bit of vinegar, and now you have your chimichurri. Salt and pepper. It's all that steak needs. Bring out that natural flavor of the beef. This is a Korean red chili flake, no flavor, no heat, just great presentation, and then chopped sweet peppers to add to the presentation of the plate.